The Maytag oven F5 error code signifies a problem with the control board, occurring when the oven fails to heat properly, resulting in underbaked food. Common causes of this error include a faulty control board or wiring issues. To resolve the issue, one possible solution is to reset the oven by turning it off, waiting a few minutes, and then powering it back on to see if the problem is resolved. If this doesn't work, replacing the control board may be necessary. This involves turning off the oven, unplugging it from the power source, locating the control panel at the back of the oven, removing it to access the control board, disconnecting any attached wires, and replacing the old control board with a new one. After reconnecting the wires, the control panel can be reinstalled, and the oven turned back on, which should resolve the F5 error code.